Good morning, everybody. Happy Tuesday. Hope you guys had a good Monday, a good night's sleep, and you're ready for your Tuesday. Today, we're going to pretty much continue our first lesson on inequalities, and we're going to pick up where we left off with lesson 2, evaluating inequalities. But before we begin, let me start, like I always do, with some shout outs. There are a few students that I wanted to kind of give a little attention to. These, I went back and I looked at all of the assignments, and there are a few more, but what I want to do is spread out the names. These 7 people, not only have they gotten every assignment in, but when I give feedback, they then reach out to me afterwards, and we work together to get the right answer. So I've got to throw out some of these names. Allison M., Inez, first period, you too. Keep it up. It's not easy. Just keep trying. I so appreciate you two. I've got Girme, third period, along with Chris M., Eddie S., Olivia G., and Welker. I mean, I got to tell you, these are 5 awesome kids in third period. So these 7 people, just keep it up. I'm very proud of you. There'll be some more shout outs tomorrow. But let's pick up where we left off. Make sure that you look at the link of the answers to yesterday's homework before you finish math today. I want to make sure, because numbers 9, 10, 11, and 12, and actually I can show them to you real quick. There were review questions. They were blast from the past questions. And there were an awful lot of you that had some trouble with them. So maybe if, I know you'll hit the link so you'll see them more clearly, but just looking at them right now, maybe that will spark a memory and you'll say, oh, of course. All right, so let's get started today. Today we're going to do something called evaluating inequalities, and it's actually easier than what we did yesterday. So what we're going to do is we're going to actually look at an inequality. It looks almost like an equation, x plus 3, and there's 7, but instead of there being an equal sign, we're going to be dealing with these inequality symbols. So as a bit of review, let's review. So this is a less than symbol. This is a greater than symbol. This here is a less than or equal to, and this is a greater than or equal to symbol. Feel free to go back to lesson 1 and look at that cheat table I made you, because it'll come in handy. But for today, let me show you how easy today's lesson is. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to give you a solution set, 3, 4, 5. We dealt with solution sets in our last unit. And what I want to know is 3, a solution, is 4, a solution, and is 5, a solution. So let me show you how to do it. So let's take a look at the first one, number 3. I'm going to put my camera down. Here we go. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use ops, if you think about it. I'm going to plug in this 3 into x and see what it gives me. So 3 plus 3 is less than or equal to 7. What is 3 plus 3? 3 plus 3 is 6. Is 6 less than or equal to 7? Well, yes, 6 is less than or equal to 7. So this inequality is true. You can put a yes, you can put a true, you can put a T, you can put a Y. It works. Let's look at 4. Let's plug 4 in for x. 4 plus 3. Is that less than or equal to 7? Well, 4 plus 3 is 7. Is 7 less than 7? No, but 7 is equal to 7. So if it says 7 is less than or equal to 7, it is true, because it's one or the other. And then our last one, 5, plug in 5 for x. What is 5 plus 3? 5 plus 3 is 8. Is 8 less than 7? No. Is 8 equal to 7? No. So this one doesn't work. Let's take a look at that. Is there anything you don't understand? So really all you're doing is you're taking these values, the values that were in the solution set, you're plugging them in for x, and in each, you're trying to figure out, is it true or is it not true? All right, I want you to pause me, and I want you to try this second problem. The solution set says 6 7, and 8. Pause me now, try it out, and let's see how you do. Go ahead. All right, welcome back. Hopefully you paused me. Let's see how you did. I'm going to plug in 6 for F. 6 plus 2 is 8. Is 8 less than 9? Yes, it is. I'm going to plug in 7 for F. What is 7 plus 2? That's 9. Is 9 less than 9? Nope. And then 8 plus 2 is less than 9. 8 plus 2 is 10. 10 is not less than 9. And that is a no as well. Okay. So I like these tables because they're very organized, and to me in my brain, since I have a small brain, they're very simple for me to understand. Let's show you something very similar where you don't have to do all the work. Instead of me giving you a solution set with 3 possible solutions, what if I just give you 1? What if I say to you, hey, instead of x, put that 4. 4 plus 3, is it greater than 9? What is 4 plus 3? 4 plus 3 is 7. Is 7 greater than 9? No, it is not. So really that's all you're doing. So we've got numbers 2, 3, and 4. Pause me now. Try those 3 problems. Go for it. Pause me now. How'd you do? How'd you do? Hopefully this lesson will be a breeze for you today. Your homework, your classwork, whatever you want to call it these days, is the next page. So the next page has 3 problems like we just did, and 4 problems like we just did. Now I know it says homework is the following page. This is not your homework. Just these. I decided I was going to make your day, your what's tomorrow? What's today? Thursday. Your Thursday a very, very easy day. So when you're done with these few problems, go ahead and post them on your Google Classroom. I hope you have a great, great Thursday, and I miss you guys. I'll talk to you soon.